Hello, this is Deborah Hartman, owner of Nature's Healing, back with you again. Today we're discussing the Thieves Line and all the different Young Living essential oil products we use with the Thieves oil. First of all, we have the household cleaning product, and we've had this for a very long time. It's literally everything, and it's very concentrated. So on the back of it, it'll tell you all the different things and products, ways to clean your house using this product, which is fantastic. Then we have our foaming hand soap refill, and the reason why I stick this together is because we have our foaming hand soap, and you put just a capful size, 1 ounce in there, and fills up the rest of it with water. Our products are very concentrated, just so you know. It's amazing. I love it. We just came out with, which I love, is the laundry soap. Now the laundry soap, you guys say, boy, is this small. No, it's concentrated. It lasts a long time. This is a funny story. There's a lot of people out there that have dishwashers and stuff at their house, but we are traveling people who travel and go different places. And one of the things that I became a laundry snob over is the fact that I don't have a washing machine. It's a community shared one. Do you realize that when you're community sharing, going to a laundromat, and you're using your natural products in your laundry, unfortunately, all the products from what they've used in the past, which you don't know about, are getting on your clothes. Hello? Ew. So I decided, since I travel and I go to different apartments, I do my laundry in my tub. Yes, or in a bath, whatever type of basket or whatever I can put water into, and let my clothes soak. And then, yes, I know that I'm getting the good products in my skin. It's cleaning the fabric, and it smells wonderful. Who does not want to smell like thieves at the end of the day? Yay! Okay, and then we have our wonderful mouthwash that I enjoy using every day. One of my favorite things I love about my mouthwash is the fact that we have a water pick. And I actually love taking a little bit of the mouthwash into the water itself. And then after I brush my teeth with our two amazing toothpaste, and of course you use, oh my gosh, just a little dab goes a long way because it's very concentrated. You don't do the full line. I put it in the water pick, and then I spray my mouth and it's just like having a spa in your mouth. It's amazing. So then we have next, our dish soap. Very concentrated. When you are doing dishes on the go, traveling, and you're camping, because I camp every summer, and I literally use just a couple drops in the tub, literally, and it cleans everything. Unfortunately, people, if you deal with wanting the foam, it's not going to be there because you realize the foam has chemical base. So, just so you know that, research that out. When you're out and you're traveling and you're trying to get your fruits and vegetables, I have to go to the store to get my fruits and vegetables so I can make my smoothies. But on the other hand, with these products, they're wonderful. You come home, you put a capful size in your water of, I would say, a gallon of water, and you're literally cleaning off whatever has been on the fruits and vegetables, and it's soaking for just a few minutes, and then you rinse them off. This one I love is the fact that fruit and vegetable spray, you can go on the go. You take it and you squirt it on your apple. Then you take and you wash the apple. Then you rinse it under water and you're done. You can eat it and you know that it's cleaned off. That is fantastic. This is a brand new product. Well, not brand new. We've always had the Thieves of waterless hand purification, and I love traveling with this, but they came out this year with a big one. I get to fill it up in a little container and then take it with me anywhere I go, and I love that. Now, for those who go, well, I use all those other things at stores and people that keep those things. This stuff is fantastic because it keeps the barrier on and it does not strip off the acid mantle on your skin in the winter time. And yes, when I'm traveling and I am in need of a little extra deodorant, I use this while I'm in the bathroom, and I put a little underneath there because I always want to smell good. So then we have our wonderful Thieves spray. Oh my gosh, the Thieves spray is amazing. Can't wait for them to have a refill like this one because I'll be using it. Anyway, I love this stuff. When I'm out and about and people are huffing around me and stuff, I just squirt it in there. Ah, it smells so good. And I can be careful when you are spraying it under your pit stove. Not to be shaving that day, ladies, because it will burn. And for those pesky little annoyances outside, when you're outside camping, this is great. You spray it on yourself and you can have annoyance-free enjoyment outdoors camping. So that's one of my favorites, plus I use it as a spray after I go to the restroom. So I have 2 different ones. Then I have my Thieves mints. Who loves mints? My husband and I do. We travel around all the time, and you think you have a little bad breath? Well, pop one of these little puppies in your mouth. Good to go. You can crunch on it if you want to. Then we have our Thieves hard lozenges. Now, these hard lozenges, people probably are going, what do I need that for? In the winter time, when people are not feeling as lively as they should, and you're around them, and they're, or, chew! I pull these babies out and I stick them in my mouth, so that way I know that I'm going to build up my body's going to be much healthier, and I'm just going to have a lot more energy and keep away from all the little pesky things that are in the air floating around. To floss, we have Thieves floss. Is this awesome or what? Thieves floss literally helps to combat all the bad bacteria and crap like that in your mouth. And I love this when I'm traveling because if I don't have my water pick, I need to floss and get the junk out in between. So with the difference between the Thieves Dentrum Ultra and the Thieves Aroma Bright, it's on your taste preference. It depends. We even have a little 2-ounces. The Ultra, though, one of my favorite things about the Ultra, I go out camping with this baby. Because when I do something silly like, let's say, oops, jam a knife in my finger, you got to do something. So I've actually applied Thieves right to any open abrasions on my skin, and it's helped let it make it feel better, and I can continue on with my day because my husband did that one time camping. Jammed the thing in there accidentally. He was hoping to go out fishing the next day, and guess what? He was able to. All because of our Thieves, and I keep it on me. It's in my emergency kit. So, that is all the Thieves line I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed.